everybody, thank you for watching. Today I wanted to film a what's in my Ipsy bag. Today I have the Goddess Energy Ipsy Glam bag. This is like a gold weave vinyl, super cute. Let's open her up and see what's inside. First we have the Moon Slice Beauty Blush. I do not have that many blushes, so I'm always so excited when I get one in one of these bags. Packaging is just a little card stock. Ooh, what is this super bright bubblegum pink? Next we have the iconic Enriched and Elevate mascara. I'm such a fan of the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I did recently try the Benefit Roller Lash and it was so good. That's actually what I have on today. I just did a makeup look with it. This is the iconic London. Let's see what the wand looks like. Okay. I do love a fluffy wand, but the Roller Lash has the same type of wand and it performed really well. So I'm gonna give her a try. I'll let you know what I think. Next we have the Kat Berkey Reversal Rosehip Intense Recovery Eye Serum. Yes, we love a good eye serum. Ooh, the packaging is really nice. It's this very earthy green color. It smells really good. Can't really describe that smell. What does it smell like? It smells like a spa. Has a little pump applicator. Love that. Then we have the Script Primer and Lip Liner from Half Caked. I don't know much about this brand, but let's see. A primer and lip liner. So it was like, okay, so it's one product. It's a dual. This is the primer. Is it a primer for your lips? Okay, it's like a balm. It's like a moisturizing balm. That's the primer. And then the lip liner is in this really pretty dusty rose color. Swatch that for you. Ooh, that is a good nude for me. And last we have the Clara's New York Advanced Vitamin E and C Serum. I love how much skincare you get to try in these Ipsy Glam bags. It's just so worth it if you're into the beauty products. And that is what was in my Goddess Era Ipsy Glam bag. If you like these videos, please subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next. And thank you for watching.